Good morning. Today we will discuss the alphanumeric code. Alphanumeric code. What is alphanumeric code and what are the requirements for this code? Alphanumeric code is a binary code by which we can represent all characters, that is the letters, numbers, symbols, and other punctuation. That is alphanumeric code. Alphanumeric code is a binary code. Binary code by which we can represent all alphabets. That is all alphabets, numbers, symbols, and punctuation. All punctuations. That is alphanumeric code is a binary code. So it is a binary code by which we can represent all alphabets, numbers, symbol, and punctuation. But what are the requirement of this code? That is, our computer can understand only binary digits, that is 0 and 1. But if you see in your desktop or laptop keyboard, there are different characters A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, and special symbols. So all these are represented in binary, that is in 0 1 code. For this reason, that is in case of uh, monitor, in case of keyboard, when you want to represent some data, all data are in binary form. So for this reason, we have to convert encoding system from our actual data, that is suppose as for A, capital A means 65 in ASCII code, and some 0 means some other values, and any symbol, any other pictures, all are represented by 0 and 1. For this reason, we have to convert from data into binary form with help of alphanumeric code. Alphanumeric code are basically three types. So this is the definition, and this is the requirement for control hardware for or understanding the hardware. So what are the different alphanumeric codes? Basically, three types of alphanumeric code. Three types. One is the ASCII code. Number two is the EBCD IC code, and third is the Unicode. So these are three alphanumeric code. That is, with help of alphanumeric code, we can represent alphabet as well as number, or special symbols and punctuations. So first, ASCII code. This is the first conversion of the code. What is ASCII code? In ASCII code, we have to know what is the full form of ASCII code. American Standard Code Information Interchange. American Standard Code for Information Exchange. ASCII means. Actually, this code is for our English alphabets, and in this code, every character or symbol is represented by 7 bits. With help of 7 bit, we can represent any characters. So how many characters? 2 to the power 7 means 128 characters. Only 128 characters. This code actually developed in which year? In 1967. 1967. For the purpose mainly for English language. For English language. That is, in English language, our capital A to capital Z, small a to small z, and others also 0 to 9, and some special symbol 0 to 9 and some 30 special symbol, 30 special symbols. For this reason, ASCII was developed with help of 7 bits. And there are 128 characters. Now, as for example, A stands for 65, decimal number. Capital A stands for 65. Similarly, in ASCII code, not in BCD, in ASCII code, all are in ASCII. B means 66 in this way, 67, 68, and small a and 65, if you convert into binary number in 7 bits, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you check 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. 64 plus 1, 65. In this way, capital B will be 1, 0. Okay, in this way, that is, you check 7 bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bits. And small a start from, so this is the capital A. Capital A start from 65, then 66 in this way. In case of small numbers, small a, b, c, d, small character, A for 97, B for 98, and you convert it 97, 98 in this way. And also 0 to 9 and 30 special symbol. But what happened? That is, at that time, the English language was the main language in 67, 70, but afterward, this is not sufficient. This language is not sufficient. So, developed another code. Okay. So, what is the full form? So, American Standard Code Information Interchange is the 7 bit. It can represent 220 characters, and A for 65 decimal value, B for 66, small a 97, small b 98 in this way. Okay. Now moves to EBC DIC code. Extended binary coded decimal interchange code. Extended binary coded decimal interchange code, EBC DIC code. Here it is the 8 bits. This is 8 bits and developed by IBM, International Business Machine, IBM, for their purpose. Only it is developed for IBM machine. And how many characters? 2 to the power 8 means 256 characters. That is, this code, with help of this code, we can represent 256, but in ASCII 128. So it is better than ASCII code, as the number of characters are more. But we still use the ASCII code. New ASCII code is also another version, that is the 8 bits. ASCII code is also there nowadays. But 7 bit is the standard. So this is the 7 bit. 7 bit is the standard. And this is the 8 bits. Now, question is, with this 256 character, can we represent all the symbol of the world? No, because in different country, in case of India, there are so many languages. In different country, there are different languages and different script also. Our script is 26 in case of English, Bengali, Hindi, Sanskrit, Tamil, Telugu, Uriya, all are different in case of India. But in case of other country, Arabian, Japan, Chinese, there are so many alphabets in case of Chinese. So there is a confusion. How we can represent? There is no uniformity. For this purpose, the Unicode developed in 1991 by the Unicode International Unicode Consortium. International Unicode Consortium developed a special type of code by which all characters in different languages, all script in different languages can be represented. So, with help of Unicode, we can represent all alphabets, that is all script, in maximum number of languages. So, it is the latest version, our Unicode. That is, if I press in one key for India, it will represent A, but in another country, their script is different. So, we need a uniform. We need a uniform code. For this purpose, this code was developed. Developed in 1991 by the International Unicode Consortium. They developed. So, what is Unicode? Unicode is a special code. Unicode is a special code. Special code for representing different languages, and different script. That is special code. That is the binary code. All are binary code, by which we can represent different languages and different script. For this purpose, in 1991, developed the Unicode. Here, basically, three types of code. First is the, what are the three types of code? I write here. So this is the special code for representing different languages and different script. Basically, there are three types of Unicode. What are the three types of Unicode? there are basically three types of Unicode. UTF, UTF-8, UTF-16 and UTF-32. So these are three Unicode. UTF means Unicode transformation format. Unicode transformation. Format. Unicode transformation format. This is the first UTF-8, and in UTF-8 all computer programming language maximum as for Python use this UTF-8 code. Also Java UTF-8 code. And approximately these are the latest UTF-32. This is the latest code, and maximum use UTF-8. Different computer programming languages use this code, and approximately in this UTF-32 1,40,000 characters. So there is a huge characters. So nowadays we use the UTF-32. This is the latest version, 32 version. That is 2 to the power 32. How we get this? 2 to the power 32. Huge number. That is huge character can be represented by UTF-32. So today we discuss the alphanumeric code. With help of alphanumeric code, we can represent all alphabets, that is the letters, all numbers, that is the digits, and special symbols and some punctuator can be represented by alphanumeric code. Alphabets and numeric, that is the number. Basically three types of code. One is the ASCII code, American Standard Code, information interchange. It is 7 bits. And other is the EBCDIC, extended binary coded decimal interchange code. And third is the Unicode. Unicode also divided into three types: UTF-8, UTF-6 and UTF-32. It is 8 bits and it's depend on the version. With help of this Unicode, we can represent all types of computer, all types of languages in the world. Chinese language, Japanese language, Arabian language, all can be converted. Okay. So today up to this completes here. Thank you.